Welcome to our channel. Today we venture into the remarkable world of organic gardening, a place where we work with nature, not against it. Here, amidst the lush greenery and the bustling ecosystem, we learn to nurture our plants while respecting all creatures great and small. For within this delicate balance lies the secret to a truly thriving garden. Join me and together we'll discover how to keep your garden pest-free using the ingenious methods nature itself provides. In our quest for a bountiful harvest, it's easy to forget that the very chemicals we employ can be more foe than friend. They might promise a swift solution, but at what cost? Organic gardening offers a different path, a path that understands the interconnectedness of life in the garden. By avoiding synthetic pesticides and herbicides, we protect more than just our plants. We safeguard the intricate web of life that sustains a healthy garden. From the vital microbes in the soil to the buzzing pollinators that dance from flower to flower. And most importantly, we ensure that the fruits of our labor are not just visually appealing, but genuinely nourishing, free from harmful residues.
Deep within the forests of India grows the neem tree, Azadirachta indica, a botanical marvel with a long history of medicinal and pest-repelling properties. From its seeds, we extract a potent elixir neem oil. This unassuming oil, with its characteristic sulfurous aroma, disrupts the life cycle of a multitude of garden pests. It interferes with their ability to feed and reproduce, effectively curbing their populations without resorting to harsh chemicals. Aphids, whiteflies, mealybugs, all fall prey to neem oil's gentle but firm approach. Simply dilute the oil with water, following the instructions, and apply it to your plants as a foliar spray. Remember, timing is key. Apply neem oil in the evening to avoid harming beneficial insects that are active during the day.
Venture into the kitchen garden, and you'll find not just culinary delights, but a potent weapon against garden invaders. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and potent compounds, has been used for centuries to deter pests. Transforming garlic into a pest-repelling spray is remarkably simple. Crush a few cloves of garlic and blend them with water until you have a milky solution. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any solids that could clog your sprayer. This pungent elixir can be sprayed directly onto your plants, creating an invisible shield against a wide range of soft-bodied insects. Aphids, whiteflies, and even some caterpillars will think twice before attempting to feast on your garlic-infused foliage. The beauty of garlic spray lies not only in its effectiveness, but also in its ease of preparation and application. A true testament to the power of simple solutions found right in our kitchens.
Observe the intricate relationships within a natural ecosystem, and you'll discover a fascinating phenomenon: companion planting. Just as animals form alliances in the wild, certain plants, when grown together, offer each other mutual benefits. Marigolds, with their vibrant blooms and pungent aroma, are renowned for their ability to repel nematodes, microscopic soil-dwelling creatures that can wreak havoc on plant roots. Plant marigolds alongside your tomatoes, roses, or any other nematode-susceptible plants to keep these subterranean pests at bay. Basil, a culinary favorite, doubles as a formidable insect repellent. Its aromatic leaves release compounds that deter flies, mosquitoes, and even some species of beetles. Interplant basil among your vegetables to create a natural barrier against these unwelcome visitors.
Our journey into the world of natural pest control leads us to a seemingly innocuous substance, diatomaceous earth. Composed of the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic creatures called diatoms, this fine, powdery substance harbors a secret weapon against crawling insects. The microscopic shards of diatomaceous earth act like minuscule blades, piercing the exoskeletons of insects that dare to crawl across them. This disruption of their protective outer layer leads to dehydration and eventual death. Sprinkle a ring of diatomaceous earth around the base of your vulnerable plants, creating a protective barrier against slugs, snails, ants, and other crawling pests. Remember, diatomaceous earth is most effective when dry. Reapply after rainfall or irrigation to maintain its effectiveness. It's a testament to the power of nature's ancient remedies in our modern gardens.
As we conclude our exploration of organic pest control, Remember that a thriving garden is a testament to our understanding and respect for the delicate balance of nature. By embracing these natural methods, we not only protect our plants but also contribute to the well-being of the entire ecosystem. Continue to observe, learn, and adapt, for the garden is a constant source of wonder and discovery. If you enjoyed our journey into the world of organic gardening, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening adventures. Happy gardening, and may your harvests always be bountiful.